Collection engine, installation and configuration. In this video, we will discuss about installation and configuration of collection engine. Collection engine is your virtual assistant which will help you in sending payment reminders, GST reminders, personalized greetings, OTP based login, OTP based dispatch or delivery of goods, wherein at the time of dispatch an OTP will be shared with the customer, and when the customer will receive the good, he will enter that OTP and confirm the delivery of goods. Apart from this, there is a data extractor feature using which you can get business leads and can grow your business many folds. Collection engine offers many more such powerful features which we will discuss in our upcoming videos. So first of all, congratulations for this great choice. Now we'll start with the installation and configuration part. To use collection engine, first of all you need to install it on your computer. For installation, first we will download the collection engine from the web. For this, we'll open the web browser, we'll type the URL www.excellentsoftwares.com/addons/ce30.zip. After entering this address, press the enter key and on the screen you can see the download process has been started. It is a very fast process. As you can see, the files have been downloaded. You can open these files from here also, or if you want to install collection engine later on, then you can go to the downloads folder of your system, click the CE30 file. After clicking this file, there is a folder with the name CE30. Open this folder and in this folder you can see a setup.exe file. You need to double click the setup.exe file to run the setup for installing collection engine. We are double clicking the setup.exe file. It is asking, this will install collection engine. Do you want to continue? Click the yes button. Yes, we want to install collection engine on our system. Next, click the next button. Then it's showing the path. It is recommended that you install collection engine in the BusyWin folder itself. By default, it's showing the path of BusyWin folder. However, if you want, you can install collection engine at some other path also, but we will recommend that you must install collection engine in the BusyWin folder itself. Click next button. It's showing create desktop icon. Yes. Next button, and the installation process is completed by clicking the finish button. An important point to note here is that while installing collection engine, busy application should not be running on your computer. You must close the busy application if it is running, and then only you install the collection engine. Now as the collection engine has been installed on your computer, we'll open the busy application. If you wish to create any new company, you can create a company, or simply you can use your existing companies. We are opening a company. We have already created a company with the name collection engine. We are opening this company, specifying the super username and password. Now we'll go to the add-ons menu, and here you can see in the add-on menu collection engine option is appearing. This shows that collection engine has been successfully installed on our computer. So now we are opening the collection engine. You can see it's a beautiful screen and very easy to use interface. At the right hand side, it's showing the list of our products along with the features each product has to offer. At the left hand side, complete menu is provided. So first of all, we are going to the configuration menu. In the configuration menu, we'll go to the company configuration. On clicking the company configuration option, you can see a screen is appearing. This screen appears only for the master company. By master company here, we means that the first company that you have opened after installing the collection engine on your system. So first company we have opened here. So this screen will appear only for the first company, or we can say for the master company. Here you can configure various companies in which you want to use the collection engine. You can use a maximum of 5 companies including the master company. So at the top you can specify the busy data path and click the load button. All the companies of busy that have been created at this path will be loaded. Next, enable the yes no option, then specify the super username, password and the financial year. This means from this company you can send your reminders, messages, or basically we can say in simple words, in this company now you can use your collection engine. Similarly, you can configure 4 more companies, but you can use this configuration only for the master company, that is the first company you have opened. Now we are going to server information option. Here you will specify the busy application path, busy data path, and will click the service start button. It will start the services. However, if you face any problem while starting the services, you need to go to the window administrative tools, local security policy, then click the local policies and open the security options folder. Here you can see a lot of options here are appearing. At the bottom, an option is provided, user account control, run all administration in admin approval mode. On selecting this option, a screen will appear and you can see here by default enabled option is selected. You need to select the disabled option and click the OK button. For this configuration to be effective, you must restart your computer. That is, if you do not restart your computer, then the services again will not start. So to start the services in case of any problem, you have to follow the process that we have discussed. That is, you need to go to the Windows administrative tool and further options that we have specified, and then restart your system. Here you can see it's still showing services stopped because we have not yet restarted our computer. Now we are going to install custom validation option. Using this option, you can install all custom validations. Here you will click the install button and on the screen you can see all the custom validations have been installed. Next, click the WhatsApp configuration for app.collectionengine.in option. Here you can see it's showing sender ID and token. This sender ID and token will be provided to you by your channel partner. However, you may also generate this sender ID and token, and now we will discuss the process for the same, that how you can directly generate the sender ID and token without asking your channel partner. For this, we'll open the browser. Here we will type the address as app.collectionengine.in. It's showing collection engine option. Now if you already have an account, then you can log in with those details, and if you do not have an account, then you can use the create account option. Specify the name, email ID, phone number, password, and re-enter the password for confirmation. Enable the checkbox I agree to terms of use and privacy policy and click the register button. On clicking the register button, it will redirect you to the next screen and you can see your account has been successfully created. But usernames, device names, sender phone, all these options are currently blank because we have not yet added any new device. For adding a new device, we'll click the add new device button. By adding a device, we mean that we are adding a WhatsApp number from which the messages will be sent. We are clicking the add new device button. Here you need to specify your device name and the WhatsApp number. Here you can specify any WhatsApp number and it is not necessary to enter the same number by which you have registered or by which you have created the account. So here you will specify the WhatsApp number from which the messages will be sent. Now on the screen you can see it's showing complete details, username, sender phone copy. Here API token is also provided. You need to click on the API token and the API token will get copied to the clipboard. This API token you need to specify in the token option that appears in the configuration part that we have just discussed while using collection engine. So here you will click on the API token and the token will be copied. Next, at the right hand side you can see a button. On clicking this button, various options are appearing. Here you will click view device option and on the screen you can see a QR code has been generated. Now you have to scan this QR code from your mobile number, that is from the WhatsApp number that you have specified while adding a new device. On your mobile phone, in your WhatsApp, you will go to the settings, then link devices, and then you will scan this QR code. And now the WhatsApp number that you have specified here is connected with your collection engine. That is, you are ready to send messages from that WhatsApp number. That is, whatever messages you will send from the collection engine will go from that particular WhatsApp number. Now coming back to collection engine, again we are going to install custom validation option, clicking the WhatsApp configuration for app.collectionengine.in option, and here you will paste that token number. That is the token number you have generated using app.collectionengine.in. You can paste that token number here. So this is the process for installation and configuration of collection engine. For more videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.